Hello everyone and welcome to another lesson of the tutorial in which I'm going to teach you how to create a simple SpriteKit game in Swift. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to implement game states. But first what we need to do is get this piece of code and move it to a function. We are going to call it initGame or initMenu, let's say, because it's somewhat of a menu. And in the did move, what we want to do is just call initMenu. It's going to be important for later. Now what we want to do is create an enumeration. We are going to call it the game state. We are going to have the menu state, playing state, and score state. Okay, so we are going to create a variable in which we are going to save in which state we are in currently. So let's say current state, or just let's say state. It's going to be a game state value. Now when we initialize the menu, the state is going to be game state dot menu. And also let's just initialize it to the menu for now, so that we don't get any errors during the update function or touch. Okay, then we'll have a function that says initGame and show score. And each of them is going to change the state. So state is equal to game state dot playing, state is equal to game state dot score, and we need one more state that I forgot about. It's going to be tutorial, in which we're going to show the user how the game works and how to play it. So show in its tutorial, and the state is going to be game state dot tutorial. Now let's implement another function which is going to be touches began. Now, if we are showing the tutorial, we are going to say so. If let's begin by state is equal to game state dot menu. If we are in the menu, we have to remove menu. So remove menu and then init tutorial. If we are in a state of tutorial, then we are going to do remove tutorial and init game, initialize game. And if we are in a game, if you are playing, that's a little bit more complicated, and we are going to do that next time. But if we are in a state of score, high score, we do a simple thing of removing score and initialize the menu. So remove score and initialize the menu. Now, how do we remove score? This is really simple. We just remove all children, because we remove everything from the scene, and then in the initialization of the menu, we go again and put the background node on the scene and everything. So that's it. Game states are really simple. We use them. We create them by enumerations. And yeah, this is it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe and click that notification bell icon so you get notifications for my new videos. You can also visit my website, in which I'm going to write these tutorials out in a text form so you can read them. Make sure to check that out, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.